trailblazing. There'll be more of that happening. Nope, not a trail. Streaming, you're going to do a lot of that. He may get to prom before he's 26. Or not. Introducing Spectrum Mobile. Built on America's largest, most reliable 4G LTE network with a nationwide network of Wi-Fi hotspots working together to save you money.
Mike. Nice.
Progress. It's what happens when you have the best network, the best devices, and the best value. Spectrum Mobile.
We would like to offer you the position. You got the job.
Really?
Who's Houston?
I gotta get some clothes. Hi, I'm Gary. Oh, is it Casual Friday? Sorry, guys. I think we can leverage this opportunity. Does anyone know the dial-in? Oh, thanks, sir. I like your pants too.
The weirdness continues. Now back to Gravity Falls on Disney XD.
I can't believe there's been a giant UFO under the town this whole time. I wish my mind could be where yours is right now, Dipper. When confirmation of extraterrestrial